Nick, let's talk about the installation in different surfaces in the roof, right? This one, for example, is the shingle. So can you explain us how Switch Solar install solar panels in this case?
Yes, one of the main rejections that our potential customer have is the penetration on the roof. So we always use the best equipment and always do a properly installation. In this case, we have two different kind of roof or surface. We have shingles and we have tiles, which are the more common roof in the United States. So here we can see how we install the flashing, the bases and the rails that support the panels. And in this case, we always protect the roof. We don't penetrate the roof, we just installing the flashings where the trusses or the rafter are. So as you can see, we don't have any part of the back of the roof with any penetration, and that is very important to guarantee that we don't make any damage or provoke a leak on any roof. We are a roofing company too, so we know how expensive the roof are. So in this case, in the tile roof, which are the most expensive one, we use this system where we open a hole in the tile and we don't touch the roof at all. So on the hole that we open on the tile, we are able to install these flashings that support the rails, and we don't touch the tile roof because it's really difficult to find where the trusses are in a tile roof.
We're talking about two kind of protections. Not only the roof, the surface of the roof, right?
Yes.
Including the tile is
Including
protected.
the tile,
You don't
yes.
damage the tile.
We don't touch the tile. We just open a hole, but we don't replace the tile. Will be the same position, and with this flat aluminum surface, we adapt the base to the shape of the tile. In this case, this protects again like an extra layer for the tile roof.
Okay, the million-dollar questions. Every company in Florida or United States or every installer use this kind of system?
No, this system is the most expensive one, and that's the reason that many companies don't use it. So we prefer to use this system to guarantee that to our customers they don't have any problem to installing solar in their roof.
So that means Switch Solar make the difference in the market.
Yes.